Okay, so I'm trying to make a movie revenue prediction. So I don't know how it works. So, so what I did is I have this little Python file. I downloaded dataset from Kaggle. This one, click the download button. So I extracted it into my file. Yeah, so I extracted it into my file. Can't open this for some reason. I'm not sure why it doesn't work. None of that works. I don't know. I don't know why Windows does this sometimes. It's okay. So this is my file. So I have it over here. This is my Python file. Anyways, uh, so obviously I tried doing this in Python. It wouldn't work. It's way too hard. So I thought I'd do it in Jupyter. This is my data set, by the way. It'll just took the first three rows. This is the rest like cast. And this is my I just decided to do using a virtual environment. So I'm installing notebook. So I'm planning to do this using Jupyter. Let's keep going. So what does ChatGPT say? Launch Jupyter Notebook. It's, so I have no idea how to do this to make the movie revenue predictor. Uh, so I'm gonna launch the Jupyter Notebook. Let's see what happens. Jupyter Notebook. This is the spelling right. Jupyter Notebook. I could have just copied this. It's alright. Anyways. Okay, let's see. Let's see what happens. What the heck is this? Huh? What the heck? To access or open this file, or copy paste one of these URLs. Alright, so this one. What the heck is this? I usually use Google Colab, but oh, okay. So how the heck do I run this? Let's. What the heck is this? No. What the heck? Interesting. Very interesting. Let's see what's going on. What the heck? It's a new. Why is it so small? It's not. Alright. Let me check this. Wait. On a new Python. This one. Oh shit. It's called movie filtered. Okay. So I was thinking we have import panda. Yeah, another import. A new kind of import. I don't know what that is. Import panda. Where the heck is the run button? Oh yeah. How do you run this? Shift enter. Alright. Oh, so it doesn't. Am I supposed to like? It says I installed it. What the heck? Wait. So where's the kernel? Open the kernel. Shut down kernel. Change kernel. No. Intro kernel. What the heck? What did I do? I have no idea. Restart kernel. Restart. Kernel unknown. Trusted. Idle. Wait, so what the heck is going on here? I'm trying to run this, but where's the? Is there no terminal? I was what? Second, create a new IP on my notebook. Done. But I tried importing panda in there. And where's the terminal? Where's the terminal? VNV. I mean the flipping terminal. Want to go to VNV. It's already done. Is it not done? I'm pretty sure it's done. That's not it. That's not it. Where is it? Where is it? Why is it so? Why is it so big? What the heck is it? Oh, there it is. It is. It is in my environment. Pip install IPY kernel. Okay, I've got no idea what's going on. So it's already there. Install. Pip install. Okay, let's go. Wait, should I close this? I have no idea why it's. Huh? What the heck did I do? Back. What? Uh. Oh. Man, I've got no idea what to do. Should I like activate the kernel over here? Let's see what happens. I don't want to install unnecessary shit, so uh, no. Just just go back over there. What's that thing again? Completely forgot. This probably wouldn't work, but I still want to try it out anyway. Yep, there's no idea. See what happens. One. Okay. I will close this completely. Leave. I will leave this one as well. What the heck is this? Okay, I've got no idea what to do. Yes. Install IPY kernel to your VNV. Okay, let's do that now. Oh, control. Mm-hmm. Add your VNY to Jupyter as a kernel. Add your VNV to Jupyter as a kernel. Copy. What is going on? IPY kernel install username VNY display name up. Okay, I don't know what's going on, man. Let's keep trying. What is that? Okay. Yeah, I completely forgot the original purpose. I was so into that browser thingy. Yeah. Okay, let's go back to VS Code. Never mind. Guess we wasted a lot of time. Let's keep going. That is very unfortunate. Select the kernel. Alright, now it should work. Okay, it still doesn't work. Never mind. Hmm. You see, I've got no idea what to do. I've got zero idea what to do. It's no module name. Should I close it and open it again? And go for VS Code. Let's see if it works. Yay! Kernels. Yeah, yeah. Come on, come on. Oh man. So I'm assuming it still doesn't work. We have to do that scripts thingy. Yeah. And now maybe it might work. Okay, I've got no idea what the heck is going on. I mean, if I could just give it on to chatgpt, sure, would have been very comfortable. Oh shit, man. This is very frustrating. Like, what the heck? Where's that movie thingy? Pip install IPY kernel. Okay, I did not install a movie thingy, so copy, paste. No, Control Z, enter, Control V, right. I have no idea what I just did. Alright. Yeah, I have no idea what to do. As always, the setup is extremely tough. Hmm. Right. So, okay, it doesn't work. So, okay, I don't know why I'm still wanting this, man. I installed Panda. What the heck? Should I install it over here? I don't know, man. I don't know how this shit works. Okay, let's give it a shot. Pip install. And I already did this shit. I mean, I already did the 100%. Yes, just doing it again and again. It's annoying. Poor panda. Alright, it works now. I didn't want to do that, but okay. Never mind. Let's do that again. We'll see. Go back. New code. Click on. Alright. Oh, panda. SPD. Right. Oh. Oh, what have I found? I'm pretty sure I already installed it. So I have to do the whole shit again? Oh, can't import panda. I can't import panda? Huh? Can I just import panda? Huh? It worked earlier. What the heck happened now? I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with this, man. Something wrong here. Clearly, PD is not defined. There's something wrong with this. Stupid CPT, man. I hate this crap. Donkey ass. I hate this shit. Stupid restrictions. It's a modern ass day. Give me the flippin'. Can't even put pictures of the stupid shit. Copilot, I guess. What the heck?
എടാ ഞാൻ ഈ മൈക്രോസോഫ്റ്റിനകത്ത് പോയപ്പോ അതിനകത്ത് കുറെ ക്ലാസ്സുകളുണ്ട് കേട്ടോ, ഫ്രീ ആയിട്ട് കിട്ടുന്നത്. ഇത് കണ്ടോ,
Okay.
അതിങ്ങനെ ഒത്തിരി ക്ലാസ്സുകളുണ്ട് കേട്ടോ. അതെല്ലാം സർട്ടിഫിക്കറ്റ് കിട്ടും
Okay.
ആൻസർ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞ്.
Mm.
അതൊക്കെ നല്ലതല്ലേ?
What the heck? So, panda and pandas are the two things called that shit? Oh, no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. It's flipping pandas. Stupid shit, man. Annoying shit. It's pandas. Pandas. Great. Nice.